Welcome back with the true 200% energy, enthusiasm, passion, and vitality. I am back, your own YouTube channel, IELTS DK. So, just Sidhu is the great subscriber, and apart from just Sidhu, there are few more subscribers who have requested the same cue card. It's describe a story which you like a lot or someone told you about. So, here is my take. I'm giving you a picture, I'm giving you a script. You can take ideas from this script and you can use those cue cards, because I never record cue cards just to give you the food for cramming, because I hate cramming. I never record these cue cards by reading something or by going to any website. No, I believe I should be original. Whether only 5 subscribers like my work, I am happy with that. But I like to be original and to be unique. So here is the idea. Stories are the most effective ways of changing minds. This was rightly said by Howard Gardner, a great psychologist. I too believe in the same thing, because when we hear a story, we connect ourselves to it, we involve with that story, and really the story has the potential to change us, to make us bigger, broader, wider, and more clear about something. So I heard a story from a YouTube lecture. I was watching a YouTube lecture by one of the motivational speakers of India. I think it was Vivek Bindra. I don't remember the name. It could be Shiv Kheda, it could be Vivek Bindra. But I remember about the story. This was the story about self-esteem of an individual. So the speaker was sharing a story, and the message of the story was, he related the message of the story with the value of a human being, like whether a human being is successful, whether he is failure, but still his value is high, because he can improve himself, he can be a better person at any moment of time. So the story was like that. There was a father, and he was teaching a lesson to his son, because his son got failure in his studies, and he was really disappointed and demotivated at that time. So his father said, like, look at me. And his father took out a note of 500 rupees from his pocket, and then his father crushed the note and then thrown it on the ground, and he said to his son, like, just pull that note and pick that note and just come to me. And the son went to the note just to pick it up, and he came back to his father and said, okay, father, this is the note. His father said, just tell me, what is the market value of this note after I have crushed it? His son said, like, still it is worth of 500 rupees. So his father said, like, when the note I came from my pocket, it was very good, in good shape, in straight position. Its market value was 500 rupees. I crushed it badly and I throw it on the ground. Still, when you made the note again straight, still its value is 500. So his father taught him the lesson, like, whether you are failed in exams or not, but still you have the capacity, still you are that respect in my eyes, because you can improve, you can do better. So don't feel disheartened, don't feel small, don't feel inferior. So this is the story I heard from Vivek Bindra on YouTube channel that really changed my psychology about my life experiences, when particularly I got failure or I got a defeat. Like, okay, if I got defeat, it's okay, but still I can improve, I can learn from that failure, I can learn from that defeat, and I can be a better person, a bigger person. So there is no use of paying the tears on those incidents, because setbacks are the stepping stones to success. So this was the story that really changed my mentality. So I hope, just Sidhu and all my subscribers, you might have got few brilliant ideas and few brilliant sentences out of this cue card. Thank you so much.